A mechanic once told me something surprising. He said many drivers spend hundreds of dollars replacing parts that were never broken. The real problem? A tiny sensor. And sometimes that sensor isn't even damaged. It's just dirty. Modern cars depend on dozens of sensors that constantly send information to the engine computer. These sensors act like the digital eyes and ears of the vehicle, helping control fuel delivery, ignition timing, and engine performance. When even one of them starts sending incorrect data, the car may hesitate, stall, lose power, or burn more fuel. And here's the strange part. Some of the sensors that cause the biggest problems are also the ones drivers almost never think about. Today, we're looking at 10 sensors that commonly fail in cars. But one of them, the sensor at number 2, is especially interesting because many mechanics say it fails all the time, yet often it just needs cleaning. Let's start with one that causes problems in thousands of vehicles every year.
10. Fuel pressure sensor. The fuel pressure sensor constantly measures how much fuel pressure is inside the fuel rail and sends that information to the engine computer. The computer uses that data to decide exactly how much fuel should enter the engine at any moment. If the sensor begins sending inaccurate readings, the engine computer starts making incorrect fuel adjustments. That's when strange symptoms appear. The engine may hesitate while accelerating, feel weak under load, or stall at stoplights. Many drivers immediately blame the pump, but the pump might be perfectly fine. The real problem can simply be a sensor sending incorrect pressure values. Automotive diagnostic studies explain that incorrect fuel pressure signals can cause engines to run too rich or too lean, which affects both performance and fuel efficiency. Drivers often spend hundreds replacing pumps or injectors before discovering the sensor was the real issue. And here's something interesting. Compared to the sensor we'll reveal at number 2, this one actually fails far less often. But the next sensor on this list can create something even scarier for drivers: dashboard warnings. And sometimes those warnings appear even when nothing is actually wrong.
9. Oil pressure sensor. The oil pressure sensor monitors the pressure of oil circulating through the engine. This information appears on the dashboard and also helps the engine computer monitor lubrication. Oil pressure is critical because engine parts rely on a thin layer of oil to prevent friction and overheating. When the oil pressure sensor begins failing, the dashboard warning light can suddenly appear. Drivers often panic immediately because they assume the engine is losing lubrication. But in many cases, the oil pressure itself is perfectly normal. The sensor is simply sending incorrect data. Automotive service diagnostics show that faulty oil pressure sensors frequently trigger warning lights even when the lubrication system is functioning correctly. That's why mechanics usually verify oil pressure manually before replacing expensive engine components. Sometimes the engine is healthy, only the small sensor attached to the engine block has failed. But the next sensor on this list affects something drivers notice instantly when driving: fuel efficiency. And as we move closer to the sensor at number 2, the one mechanics clean constantly, the problems become even more noticeable.
8. Intake air temperature sensor. The intake air temperature sensor measures how warm or cold the air entering the engine is. This may sound minor, but air temperature changes how dense air is, and that directly affects how much fuel the engine should use. Cold air is dense and contains more oxygen. Warm air is thinner and contains less oxygen. The engine computer constantly adjusts the air-fuel mixture based on the temperature data from this sensor. If the intake air temperature sensor begins sending incorrect readings, the engine computer may inject too much fuel or too little fuel. That can reduce performance and fuel economy. Drivers often notice the symptoms gradually. The car may feel slightly weaker when accelerating. Fuel mileage may slowly decrease. Sometimes the engine runs rough during cold starts. Automotive engineering research explains that intake air sensors help maintain proper combustion efficiency by adjusting fuel delivery based on air density. The tricky part is that many drivers assume these symptoms are just normal aging. But the next sensor can create a much more obvious problem: transmission shifting. And remember, the sensor mechanics complain about the most is still waiting at number 2. 7. Vehicle speed sensor. The vehicle speed sensor measures how fast your car is moving and sends that information to several systems in the vehicle. The engine computer, transmission control module, cruise control system, and safety systems all rely on that signal. When the speed sensor starts failing, drivers usually notice something strange happening with the transmission. Gears may shift too early or too late. Sometimes the car hesitates before shifting. In some vehicles, the speedometer may behave erratically or stop working completely. Cruise control may also stop functioning because the system can no longer track the car's speed accurately. Automotive repair research explains that the vehicle speed sensor is essential for proper transmission timing and engine management coordination. Drivers often assume their transmission is failing when these symptoms appear, but the real cause may simply be incorrect speed data from the sensor. And before we move further, if you're finding this helpful, consider subscribing, because understanding these small components can save drivers hundreds in unnecessary repairs. Now here's the interesting part. The next sensor can quietly drain your fuel budget without most drivers noticing.
6. Oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor measures how much oxygen remains in the exhaust gases after combustion. This information tells the engine computer whether the air-fuel mixture is balanced correctly. If too much oxygen remains in the exhaust, the engine is running lean. If too little oxygen remains, the engine is running rich. The computer constantly adjusts fuel delivery based on oxygen sensor readings. When the sensor begins sending incorrect data, fuel economy often drops quickly. The engine may run rough, produce higher emissions, or trigger the check engine light. In fact, oxygen sensors operate in extremely hot exhaust conditions, which makes them one of the most frequently replaced sensors in modern vehicles. Automotive service organizations report that a failing oxygen sensor can increase fuel consumption by as much as 40% if left unrepaired. Many drivers spend months paying extra for fuel without realizing a small sensor is responsible. But the next sensor on this list affects something drivers notice immediately: acceleration response. And once again, we're getting closer to the sensor at number 2 that mechanics often clean rather than replace. 5. Throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor monitors how far the throttle plate opens when you press the accelerator. In simple terms, it tells the engine computer exactly how much power the driver is requesting. When you press the gas pedal, the sensor sends a signal that helps the engine computer decide how much fuel to inject and when to adjust ignition timing. If this sensor begins sending incorrect signals, the engine may hesitate before accelerating. Drivers often describe the feeling as a delay between pressing the pedal and the car responding. In some situations, the engine may surge suddenly or stall during rapid throttle changes. Automotive engineering documentation explains that throttle position sensors are essential for maintaining smooth acceleration and accurate fuel delivery in modern electronic throttle systems. Drivers sometimes assume the problem is related to the transmission or fuel system, but the real cause may simply be the sensor attached to the throttle body. And the interesting part is that even though this sensor can cause major drivability problems, it still isn't the one mechanics complain about the most, because the sensor coming up at number 2 fails even more often, and in many cases, it's not broken at all. 4. MAP sensor. The manifold absolute pressure sensor, usually called the MAP sensor, measures pressure inside the intake manifold. This helps the engine computer determine how much load the engine is under. In other words, it tells the computer how hard the engine is working. The engine uses that information to adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing so the vehicle produces the right amount of power. If the MAP sensor begins sending inaccurate data, the engine may feel weak during acceleration. Drivers may notice poor performance when climbing hills or merging onto highways.
Fuel economy may also drop because the engine computer is making incorrect fuel adjustments. Automotive engineering sources explain that the MAP sensor works together with other intake sensors to calculate engine load and maintain proper combustion efficiency. Drivers sometimes replace spark plugs, coils, or fuel injectors trying to solve these symptoms, but the real issue may simply be incorrect intake pressure data. And here's where things start getting interesting. The next sensor controls engine timing itself. If it fails, the engine may suddenly stall while driving. But even that sensor still isn't the one mechanics constantly clean. That reveal is coming very soon at number 2. 3. Crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor monitors the rotation and position of the crankshaft while the engine is running. This information allows the engine computer to control ignition timing and fuel injection with extremely precise accuracy. Without this sensor, the engine computer cannot synchronize spark and fuel delivery correctly. That's why this component is considered one of the most critical sensors in modern engines. If the crankshaft position sensor begins failing, the engine may stall suddenly while driving. In some cases, the vehicle may refuse to start entirely. Drivers often experience intermittent issues where the engine shuts off but restarts once it cools down. Automotive repair research confirms that crankshaft sensors are essential for ignition timing and engine synchronization in modern engine management systems. Because the engine relies on this signal for timing, even a brief failure can stop the engine instantly. That's why mechanics frequently test this sensor when diagnosing unexplained stalling. But despite how important this sensor is, it still isn't the one that fails most often, because the sensor at number 2 causes problems in far more vehicles. And the surprising part is, sometimes it just needs cleaning.
Number 2. Mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor, usually called the MAF sensor, measures how much air enters the engine. The engine computer uses that information to calculate exactly how much fuel should be injected. When this sensor works correctly, the engine receives the perfect air-fuel mixture for smooth performance and efficient combustion. But here's the surprising part. This sensor often doesn't fail because of electronics. It fails because it gets dirty. Dust, oil vapors, and airborne debris can coat the delicate sensing element inside the sensor. When that happens, airflow readings become inaccurate. A contaminated MAF sensor can cause rough idle, hesitation, reduced power, and sudden drops in fuel economy. Automotive engineering resources confirm that contamination of the MAF sensor is one of the most common causes of drivability problems in modern engines. Repair specialists also note that cleaning the sensor can sometimes restore proper airflow readings if contamination is the main issue. That means the expensive repair many drivers expect might not always be necessary. Sometimes the sensor simply needs cleaning. But one final sensor still remains, and when it fails, engine timing itself can fall out of balance. Number 1. Camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor tracks the exact position of the camshaft and sends that information to the engine control module. This allows the computer to coordinate fuel injection with the opening and closing of engine valves. In modern engines, timing accuracy is extremely important. Even small timing errors can affect power, fuel economy, and emissions. If the camshaft sensor begins sending incorrect data, the engine may misfire, hesitate during acceleration, or take longer to start. Drivers may also experience sudden drops in power or irregular engine operation while driving. Automotive engineering resources explain that camshaft position sensors are essential for sequential fuel injection and modern variable valve timing systems. Because modern engines rely heavily on electronic timing control, incorrect camshaft data can affect multiple engine systems at once. Many drivers assume serious mechanical damage when these symptoms appear, but in some cases, the real cause is simply a small sensor sending incorrect timing information. And when you step back and look at everything we covered today, one thing becomes clear. Modern vehicles rely on dozens of sensors working together.
When even one starts sending incorrect data, the engine can behave in ways that confuse many drivers. Most drivers never realize how much their car depends on tiny sensors like these, and sometimes fixing a big problem starts with cleaning something small.